Hey guys, so I wanted to just talk about render targets for a second. I've been watching this video here of Ryan Laley's. Props to him because this video got me most of the way there to what I'm trying to achieve here. And essentially, what I'm doing is just rendering my character from the Scene Capture 2D, very similar to how he's doing it in the video. The only difference is I wanted my camera to live on my character, and I didn't want to have like another actor just living somewhere in the world rendering someone else something else. I wanted to be exactly on my character that I was using. So um, I'm sure you'll notice at the end of the video there's a little bit of an issue where if you don't put your character up in the world somewhere, like out into space, that you will end up seeing something like this. So you'll see like the floor and like the things in the background rendered behind your character or whatever you're rendering in your scene capture. So I found a solution to this. Rather than putting your object into space, if you want to have it on your character or do something similar to what I've done, if you select your scene capture 2D and you scroll down to underneath your texture target, there's this primitive render mode. If you just change this to use show only list, then you'll have to set in your blueprint. Just on begin play, all I did was grab my scene capture 2D, show only actors, and I set show only actors, and then I make an array and plug in myself. So if you just make an array and then get a reference to self, um, this is pretty much all you have to do. And then, of course, you don't have to add just self. I could add like just my weapon in there if I wanted to just render my weapon or something. And then I'll show you kind of what this does when I do that. So now you can see it's not rendering the floor or anything. It's just rendering that one actor that I chose. So my character's just kind of chilling there, which is exactly what I was looking for. And I think this will pose useful for a lot of people out there.